Once again, welcome back to my channel where I solve mathematical problems like this. I'm sure really happy that you're here with me as I go through this solution. Here we are given this problem as x to the fourth plus y to the fourth is equals to 82, and we also have x plus y is equals to 4, and we are asked to solve for x and y. Solution. From one of my previous videos, you'll see where I explain the use of the Pascal triangle. So in this video, specifically, this is going to come very handy. So as a refresher, we know the Pascal triangle is 1, 1, 1 plus 2, and 1, 1 plus 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, and there's 1, and there's 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, 2 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 1 is 4, and 1. So you see that this is zero term, first, second, third, and the fourth. So we'll be using these coefficients to help solve this problem. All right, let's rewrite equation 1 and equation 2. Using equation number 1, we have x plus y to the 4 is equals to 82. We can expand this binomial using these coefficients, and we'll start with x plus y to the 4 is equal to x to the 4 plus x y plus x y plus x y plus y to the 4. Going this way, the x term decreases, so this is 3, this is 2, this is 1, and going this way, the y term decreases, meaning this is 3, this is 2, and this is 1. And now let's add our coefficient. 1, we have 4, 6, 4, and 1. We know that x plus y is equal to 4, so now we have 4 to the 4 is equals to x to the 4 plus y to the 4 plus 4x cubed y plus 4x y cubed plus 6x squared y squared. We know that 4 to the 4 is 256, which is equals to x to the 4 plus y to the 4. For equation 1, we know is 82 plus, let's factorize that as 4xy outside of x squared plus y squared plus 6x squared y squared. Let's bring this on that side. We have 0 is equals to 82 minus 256 plus 4xy x squared plus y squared plus 6x squared y squared. So now we have 0 is equals to 82 minus 56. That becomes negative 174 plus 4xy x squared plus y squared plus 6x squared y squared. Let's rewrite this as 4xy outside of x squared plus y squared plus 6x squared y squared minus 174 is equals to 0. And let's call this equation 3. Now, from equation number 2, where x plus y is equals to 4. If we square both sides, we have x plus y squared is equals to 4 squared. That becomes x squared plus 2xy plus y squared is equals to 16. And let's take this term and bring it on the side. We have x squared plus y squared is equals to 16 minus 2xy. So 4. Let's substitute equation 4 into 3 and changing x squared plus y squared to this. We have now 4xy outside of 16 minus 2xy plus 6x squared y squared minus 174 is now equals to 0. Let's expand this and we have 16 times 4 is 64 xy minus 4 times 2 is 8x squared y squared plus 6x squared y squared minus 174 is equals to 0. And we can further expand that again and 64xy minus 8x squared y squared plus 6x squared y squared. We have minus 2x squared y squared minus 174 is equals to 0. Let's divide everything by 2. We have 32 xy minus x squared y squared minus 87 is equals to 0. Let's multiply everything by -1 and we'll have x squared y squared minus 32 xy plus 87 is equals to 0. We can see that this could be factorized, so let's go 87. The factors are 87 and 1 and 29 and 3. We know that 81 and 1 can add up to 32. So we want to find the product of 87. When you add it up, you get 32. And the only one that works is 29. We now have xy minus 3 xy minus 29 will equals to 0. So now we are left with two terms. We have x y minus 3 is equals to 0 and x y minus 29 is equals to 0. Therefore, in that case, x y is equals to 3, and in this case, x y is equals to 29. So here we have two different stuff. We have x y is equals to 3 and x y is equals to 29. Let's use equation 2 where x plus y is equals to 4 and x plus y is equals to 4. Let's substitute. So we say y is equals to 4 minus x. On that side, we do the same thing. Y is equals to 4 minus x. So let's take this and bring it into this equation. We have x outside of 4 minus x is equals to 3. Let's say 4x minus x squared is equals to 3. From there, we have 4x minus x squared minus 3 is equals to 0. Let's multiply everything by -1. So we have x squared minus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0. So we can clearly see that by factorizing x minus 1, x minus 3 is equals to 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is equals to 0, and x minus 3 is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to 1, and here x is equals to 3. From equation 2, where we have x plus y is equals to 4, when x equals to 1, then y is equals to 4 minus 1, and y is equals to 3. And when x is equals to 3, and x plus y is equals to 4, when x is equals to 3, then we have y is equals to 4 minus 3, y is equals to 1. Therefore, x, y will be equal to 1, 3, and 3, 1. Going back here, we have x, y equals 29. Then we have x outside of 4 minus x is equals to 29. We have 4x minus x squared is equals to 29. So we have x squared minus 4x plus 29 is equals to 0. Now, this cannot be factorized, so we have to use the quadratic equation. We have minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, where a is equals to 1, b is equals to -4, and c is equals to 29. So let's substitute this into this equation. You have b is minus 4, minus minus is a positive, so you have 4 plus or minus the square root of minus 4 all squared minus 4, a is 1, and c is 29 divided by 2a, which is 1. So we have 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 4 times 29 is 116 divided by 2. Now that will equals to 4 plus minus the square root of minus 100 over 2. We know that the square root of negative 100 is same as saying square root of 100 dot square root of negative 1, where that becomes I, and that becomes 10. We now have 4 plus or minus 10i divided by 2. 2 will go there once, 2 will go there 2 times, and 2 will go there 5 times. So we are left with 2 plus or minus 5i, and that would be equals to x. So we have x2 will be equals to 2 plus 5i, and x3 is equals to 2 minus 5i. So this complex solution would be x2 y2 is equals to 2 plus 5i, 2 minus 5i, and x3 y3 equals to 2 minus 5i and 2 plus 5i. This is the solution to the answer. We also have x, y equals to 1, 3, and 3, 1. Complete solution to the problem. Thank you. Thank you very, very much for staying all through the solution to this problem. If you are interested in more solutions like this, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment, but most importantly, share this video to anyone you think would benefit from this solution. Have a nice day.